The hurricane season continues across Trinidad and Tobago and the rest of the Caribbean. We've only had a few weak tropical waves coming by over the past 2 weeks. It's pretty quiet in the Caribbean as well as out in the Atlantic. We also have some Saharan dust set to come by as we go through the next few days. Now, bearing in mind that this hurricane season from the Meteorological Service is set to be near normal, that is for around our area of interest from Trinidad and Tobago, working our way east out into the Atlantic. So a 42% chance of near normal hurricane season for us. That means we'll get 3 storms most likely, and below normal just about 33%. So as you notice, 1 to 4 tropical storms are usual for this time of the year for us to see between June to November. That's the outlook. And then from hurricanes, we're likely to see about 1, maybe as many as 2. But overall, you should be prepared, because from August and going into September, that's when we'll begin to see that peak, the sharpest increase, and we'll peak at September 11th across the Caribbean and the Atlantic basin. So for now, only a couple of brief showers are likely. There's still some Saharan dust in the air, so that's inhibiting the convection for the most part. But you'll notice many of those damp spots coming across Tobago, a few brief showers for the most part, but most of those showers will be on the light to moderate side. Across Trinidad, across the hillsides in particular, you will likely see a few showers later tonight going into the early hours of Tuesday. So we'll start Tuesday morning with some damp spots along the northern range through Valencia into Arima, as well as for Diego Martin and Port of Spain, and then down towards Presal and into Talparo. A couple of brief showers are expected through your afternoon. Down towards central and the southern areas, you will notice a bit more of the cloudiness first thing in the morning. Some of those showers coming into San Fernando as well as Moruga and Guarari. But again, at this time of the year, there's still a slight chance of a couple of showers maybe turning heavy, but overall, most of the showers should be on the moderate side. Temperature-wise, looking at 24 degrees Celsius for Arima, 25 in Canaan, and then 32 degrees Celsius across the board. It will still feel warm with some of that sunshine coming through in spells. Now on Wednesday and Thursday, a lot more sunshine is expected for Trinidad and Tobago, but it will be tinged with that Saharan dust, which could be quite thick on a Thursday as well as Friday. And similarly for Trinidad, despite the Saharan dust around, still coming across the hillsides, we'll likely still see a few passing showers through Wednesday and Thursday. Now for mariners heading offshore, looking for choppy seas of 2.5 meters, and you notice those east-northeasterly swells of 9 seconds. Now across the Caribbean, it is mostly settled. We do have that one tropical wave heading into the eastern Caribbean Sea, but for Hispaniola, which includes the Dominican Republic and Haiti, mostly settled, just a few passing showers there, and also some brief showers towards the eastern Caribbean. But once we get past all of that, we should be seeing a lot more hazy sunshine, and you begin to see that first of all in the Leeward Islands, and eventually spread south into the Windward Islands by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.